This afternoon, the city of Houston declared an emergency health declaration, and Harris County issued a disaster declaration, both in response to growing concerns about the coronavirus.
Officials say this does not mean it's time to panic. Stephanie Whitfield explains what those declarations mean.
You hear disaster declaration and you think about natural disasters like Hurricane Harvey. But today, both the city of Houston and Harris County signed declarations in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. So what exactly does that mean? An emergency health declaration or disaster declaration is a formal statement by a local leader to trigger extra resources. It means the city and county can get federal assistance. It also gives the local government more flexibility to manage the resources they have and get more assets. For Harris County specifically, it allows officials to green light emergency-related expenses without having to wait for Commissioner's Court approval. Now, this is equally important. These declarations do not mean the greater Houston area is shut down. Government, schools, and businesses do not have to close. And last week, the federal government approved $8.3 billion in emergency spending for the coronavirus. Stephanie Whitfield, KHOU 11 News.